Hello viewers, welcome back to this channel and specifically welcome back to this video. We are still using Microsoft Excel, okay, to analyze the company Smart Core Technologies sales. Okay, let's go to part 2 of our question. Part 2 of our question was like, please do the calculations. Okay, do the calculation, calculate the total units sold. For the total units sold, specifically we're going to use a function called sum. So come to Excel, okay, column here, say total units sold. So I want to, let me add here a column, okay, insert. I add here column, then I should say total units sales, okay, something like that, total units sold, okay. Come here, I will say equals, then I bring my function sum. They are saying add odd numbers in a range of cells, okay. So I bring it, I want to add these numbers from B3 to D3, okay. Click enter. They are saying laptops are 18, then scroll to add up the whole column, okay. Flash disk are 75 and chargers are 37. Okay, let's go on and see what was the next question. Total revenue, okay, total revenue for each product, total revenue for each product. They are even giving us a hint, use total units times unity price, okay. So what you come here, the total units sold times the unity price would be the total revenue, okay. Come here, so we are going to use the product now, okay. Cost, then product multiplies all numbers given as arguments. So I'm giving the argument as first the product, select it, product, select, now give it arguments. Argument is E3 up to F3 equals, so that is a product. And now select and now scroll downwards to get the product of all products, okay. Get the total revenue for all products. So that is it. What's next? Next we want the grand total revenue. Grand total revenue, that means I have to add the total revenue for all items, okay. I come here, I just say grand total revenue, okay. This grand total revenue will be equal to, okay, the sum of the revenue for laptops, revenue for flash, and revenue for chargers. Then I click enter, okay. So that's our grand total revenue, 17,337,500. 375,000. Okay, so that is our part B of the question. In the next one, let's come with part C. Thank you very much, and remember to like, okay, share, subscribe, okay, and comment if you like this type of videos, okay. Thank you very much.